ફિલ્મોની લોન્ચિંગ બાદ અવારનવાર એક્ટર્સો
from
દ્વારા
Raja Ki
ભાષાના
Aayegi
કરવામાં
Barat till now, Mrs. Chatterjee, how much do you think cinema has changed or evolved?
ફિલ્મો વિશે પણ કંઈક બે
I sure
શબ્દો
have
કહેવામાં
changed.
આવ્યા હતા.
I
આવો
was 17
સાંભળીએ
then and now
તેમના
I'm like 40. Hi.
Ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. From Raja Ki Aayegi Barat till now, Mrs. Chatterjee, how much do you feel cinema has changed or evolved?
I sure have changed. I was 17 then and now I'm like 46. So yes, there has been a lot of change. And of course, audiences have changed over the decades. And what is constant, I would like to believe, is their love for me. And I can't pray for more, because the kind of love and support and the unconditional love that I've received from them over the years, that has kept me going. So I thank my fans from the bottom of the heart to help me strive harder and help me to keep bettering my skills. I think also the responsibility lies on the audience. The more the audience will go and see these films, the more of these films will be made. From time immemorial, we've seen films that Nargis ji have done, you know, Madhubala ji and Nutan ji. You know, they've all done films which were always very much based from the woman's point of view. So it's not as if it's the first time that something like that has happened. It's been happening through the years, through the decades. But every decade there will come a time where people will prefer a certain kind of film for some time. But it's not as if that's the thing that keeps going on. So the audiences are eclectic. They like a different spread of films and ideas and stories. And what I have seen with my experience is, you give an audience a film with your heart, and if you're true to the genre and the film, it works with an audience. So I think it's important to always choose a script. That's what I do, because I can speak for myself. I like to choose a script that resonates with me as